टाइटल पढ़ के समझ आई गई होगी कि आज का व्लॉग इंग्लिश में है, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं।
Respected ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you to the second vlog of Sharp Tours series. Today I'm visiting a very historical and magnificent building titled as Government High School Tanda, initially started as Guru Gobind Singh Khalsa Lubhana High School Tanda. Initially started as Guru Gobind Singh Khalsa Lubhana High School Tanda by the Sikh community of this area back in 1920s. I guess this school was started by Sikh community to educate the masses in this area, and the pioneer of this project was Guru. He was a Saint Ram Singh Lubhana, if I'm not wrong. He was the pioneer of this project, and after the partition, when Sikh community moved from Pakistan to India, this school was left empty. Then a Muslim teacher from Mota. Mota is another small village near Tanda. He again started the school. His name was Haji Muhammad Shafi. He was a teacher in Akbar Islamia High School, Jammu. And when Sikh majority moved from Pakistan to India, he moved from Jammu to Tanda. This is the front of the school, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the historical touch in the architecture of the building. And at the top you can see the famous Islamic slogan, Pakistan ka matlab kya, La ilaha illallah. Let's visit this school from inside. Now we have entered in the corridors of the school. School is very old, so there can be dark inside. Now let's visit this school. This particular building gives me a sense of legacy, the Sikh legacy in this area. I can feel like I am working in some kind of Hollywood movies. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the big hall. Right now I am in the corridors, and you can see the architecture of this building perfectly from 1920s and 30s. There are a lot of rooms, a lot of halls in this school. These are the maps of Pakistan. There are the rooms. Perfectly giving the sense of medieval times. Here you can see agriculture room. This is the second door of that hall, big hall. There is some Indian writings here. I can't read it. I don't know, it's Surajmukhi or Gurumukhi. It's we call Indian writing styles. Building such a huge institution at that time itself is an achievement, and this particular building and project belongs to Lubhana caste of the Sikh community. Lubhana is a caste in Sikh community, and this community, Lubhana community in Sikh nation, is known for its education. Almost 80 to 90% of Lubanas are educated. They are engineers, doctors, mostly in foreign countries like Canada, America, Australia. They belong to Lubhana family, and this area particularly was populated by Lubhana family, Lubhana caste in Sikh nation. You love history, you have to acknowledge all the institutions all the legacy of other nations too. This is principal room, and this is the overview of the school. There are the big grounds beside this school. People still used to play cricket, football. You can read the history of the school in Urdu. When school was built, there were huge grounds attached with that school: football ground, kabaddi ground, and hockey ground. And those grounds are still operational. This is the mosque of the school, an essential part of any government school back in 20s and 30s. Ladies and gentlemen, I have found a tour guide here. What's your name, gentleman? नाम की अपना?
चांद मीरा
चांद मीरा साहब चलो. चांद मीरा साहब will lead us to the visit. This huge structure, ladies and gentlemen, is massive. चांद मीरा साहब ऐसे स्कूल पढ़ते हो? ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੈ? 6ਵੀਂ ਚ? ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਕੂਲ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ ਇਹ ਤੇ. ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿੰਨ ਭੂਤ ਵੀ ਹਨ. ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿੰਨ ਭੂਤ ਵੀ ਹਨ. ਹੈ ਨੇ ਚਿੜਲਾਂ ਛਿੱਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਨ. Ladies and gentlemen, the very famous slogan of Pakistan movement comes here. पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह. This was adopted as official slogan by Mr. Jinnah at the start of Pakistan movement. You can also observe a lot of noise here because there is a road just passing by the school. This is the system of ventilation, and this is the system to provide light in the dark corridors of this school. ਚਾਂਦ ਮੀਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੈਮਰੇ 'ਚ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਹੱਥ ਲਾ ਦਿਓ. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, like the video.